project that comprises 2 supercomplexes, 2 artificial islands, 18 wellhead towers, and other associated pipelines and facilities. The estimated number of asset tag numbers included in implementation is 170,000. That's not bad. He's also responsible, not just small, he's also responsible for the maintenance planning for new fields, where he's coordinating with projects, EPC contractors, and company stakeholders to establish the maintenance planning requirements before startup of a new field. So the new field coming that's very big. Let's hear all about it. So, over to you.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My presentation today is about how to build your asset management system. Actually, I chose this topic because I'm asset management team leader at Kotb, and as has been mentioned, we have green new fields and mega projects, and these mega projects involve huge number of assets. And I have the mission to build the asset management system. And building the asset management system for such a huge amount of assets is not an easy job. It requires a lot of strategic planning, different way of thinking, and looking ahead, and doing things in different ways. So asset management system implementation is not easy, as I mentioned, but it has to be done in a very well-organized, systematic approach, and we will see this in our presentation today, inshallah. So the agenda for today is we are going to say a small introduction about what is the asset management system we are going to speak about, and what is the importance of the asset management system for any organization, and the implementation objectives and phases for the asset management system. What will be the implementation approach, and what are the stages of the implementation, which takes a long time and effort. What is required for the implementation to keep the system running successful. And at the end, we will facilitate some questions and answers as time permits. So what is the asset management system we are going to speak about? It is the advanced version of the CMMS. You know, CMMS is a computerized maintenance management system, has been in the market more than 30 years. But with advancements and enhancements, the asset management system started to take over. Asset management system is a wider scope of the CMMS. So CMMS taking care of maintenance in specific. Asset management system is taking care of a wider scope that includes operation as well, safety, integrity, and other field and asset requirements. So it is not focusing on maintenance only, as we will see. So the asset management system I'm going to speak about is a computerized system that's taking care of your assets, okay? And it is comprised of modules as the CMMS, but this is more modules. So before I go further, I would like to know from you, how many of you has asset management system in his company or CMMS? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So majority, you have CMMS in your system, in your companies. Okay. Who participated in asset management or CMMS implementation directly? So we have 3. Okay, that's good. That's good. Fine. We will see here a research done by the Plant Engineering magazine this year, and it has been published in February, and shows a sample of their readers in North America They've done a research and asked them if you have asset management or CMMS system in your companies, and you have here the answer. 2/3 have CMMS, 1/3 you don't have.